Tara, let's explore this brand new 5-bedroom house na sigurado magugustuhan nyo. If you are looking for a property na dito malapit sa Alabang area, no? This property sits on a 306 square meter lot with a floor area of 362 square meters. Tara, let's explore.